I'm making everybody nega mountain this morning. I'm making nega. Yeah, not to feel okay. I'm gonna ihe ncholo ịgwa ndị Igbo ụmụnne m. Mana before mbido ihe ncholo ikwu, o nwere this video na trend online since yesterday. Ebony son and this our brother. O nwere this our brother na-ekwu na social media. Na ọkwụrụ ya ụgwọ ka ọ bịa perform na Zion Ministry. And since Haji Mecha video, I've got 1 or 2 or 3 people made a video about this. And what these people are saying now is that they call this young boy to do a Lenji miracle in Zion Ministry. That is what they are trying to fix this thing now. And this guy, I don't know you, but I'm calling you out to explain this. Kaimana now was Zion Ministry, but keep your perform of fake miracle in Zion Ministry, or I want to know. Now, because you spoke about Mr. Ibu, Mr. Ibu, not Mr. Ibu, I want to ask this young guy, you know, where Mr. Ibu, are you there? You know, Mr. Ibu when I be a performer. I say it before. Nandi Igbo geji maka ego were gbuo nwanne fe. I geji maka ego were gbuo nwanne fe. And this is, and all those people now after their pictures now. Ndị anyị na-ebu ndo, one of ndị also na the people actually can do Ebuka Obi doesn't mean say want me to become every day by day Ebuka Obi they are Zion Ministry. And I become check here. All their page has been monetization. Their page not monetization, and Mark Zuckerberg nakunda every month. That is the reason this people all of them threw out needing a picture of her back. This young boy do Chiduka Ebony son but Ebony son knows everything. But Ebony son, I want to tell you that ain't actually a fair. That ain't actual. Because of Facebook, because of dollar, Facebook na because of dollar, Facebook na go engage na social media na one nana. Because of the dollar, Facebook na go engage na social media na one nana. Because of money. Because of money. Engage na one nana social media. This young boy, he got to cover the kind of performance. Because I know that Evangelist Ebuka Obi has spoke and said that Ibu came that praise, he did not invited him to come. Omele Mr. Ibu invite to come. Omele invite. Ibu was this girl about this something like that, and the James not go for. You are saying what you don't know. Are you there when they pay the money? In Abba Humbo for in Abba Humbo for. So why are you saying what you don't know? Because of a bonus on a pogo, I'm my bonus on a go on the Facebook wall when I get the money 50-50. I don't really know. I'm here, I don't really know that because I'm on all this things who never because of Facebook. I'm on the page on who never boom. You people have just be doing what you people are doing because of the Facebook pay, Facebook monetization. You need to come to say the kind of performance because you mentioned Mr. Ibu and when Mr. Ibu came to Zion Ministry, Mr. Ibu drew any testimony. Mr. Ibu any single testimony. Any testimony Mr. Ibu but you people, you wicked Igbos have done it. Where's not Mr. Ibu nature testimony? Why are you people just saying what you don't know? Can you bring the evidence? Can you bring the video? Can you bring the video of where Mr. Ibu was giving testimony in Zion Ministry? The answer is no. Ndi Igbo na-ebu onwefe. Ndi Igbo na-ebu nwannefe maka ego. Maka ego Facebook kunjiba na-eme kunjiba na na social media na akpari nwanne ọnụ. Na-achọkwuru pull it down. Na-achọkwuru pull nwanne ọnụ down because of Facebook money, because of dollar. That is what you are saying. Nandi Igbo get make go one nefe. This is what is happening. Nko na kpo no Igbo. So on the na kpo there Onyobudo or something like that. Up on social media now, just na mention when you look. Na ekwu ihe supposed to because of Facebook money. Go listen, go for me. After going on Facebook how many years ago now? Name a video. And Facebook are not paying me shishi. Sometimes I will go to studio. Use my money, go to studio, and even Mbamoto Jawanicha. Virgin normal camera, all this normal camera art film. Shoot one video. Memo video, post on social media. I'm not getting shishi. And all I'm doing this thing is for the betterment of Igbos. How I do this thing is for betterment of Igbos. Only Igbo get single on fe. Only Chineke get sit debate in Igbo. Now find out in Nigeria. That is why I'm doing all those videos that you are seeing. Facebook cannot pay me money since almost 4 years ago, 5 years ago. Tap my name on Facebook or tap my name on Google. You see some of my videos. Facebook cannot pay me shishi. So all those videos, if you against Nigeria government, against Britain, against United Nations, and no Cebu Christians in Nigeria, all those things will be the passion, the burden because of what is happening in Nigeria. But these people are there on Facebook to destroy their brothers, because of money, because of Facebook money, because of dollar. Facebook gonna offer every month. Hand on Facebook because of the money. Facebook gonna offer to destroy their own brother. That is why they say that Igbo, and that is what these people are doing. Ebony Son called this guy I made this video, and Ebony Son is in support. He hear Ebony Son name, they pretend not to make the guy interview. Before happen. So this young boy, you need to come out to tell us the kind of performance about people perform one as a ministry. It's not Mr. Ebuka. How do you know that Mr. Ebuka? Evangelist Ebuka Obi putala public. Where's no man Mr. Ebuka invite and Mr. Ebuka Jaka we better way. Obona asikobo. Many people now show the downfall of Zion ministry. Many people ne visit Mr. Ebuka hospital. And I'm going now some of them we gonna have to go Mr. Ebuka. Some of them we gonna have to go Mr. Ebuka. Whether na Evangelist Ebuka Obi and upon a Mr. Ebuka he paid me. If you know how you see one come social media, I don't really know what is happening. Some of Igbo people, the way they think, the way they speak. We are here on Facebook. You might hear on Facebook. If you don't know what to talk, keep your mouth shut. Keep your mouth shut. Because of money, this thing. I watched your video the other time. You said that you are humanity. And when I keep believe you did not believe in Christianity, you did not believe in women and apple or something like that. Blah blah blah. You speak what you said. And later I saw you when you was in the police course or something like that. In on a police station. Later, police. But you soon he believe you know why you just now say the kind of mind Igbo is one of the wicked tribe when at this Nigeria. One of the wicked tribe. When they see their brother lies them, they will fight. They will try to put their brother down. Ebony Son, this guy go near this Alengia, put on social media because Ebony Son, I know that you are fighting the minister. I know this guy go near put on this social media. We made this video. This guy where's my perform one as a minister. So you need to come to explain who need the kind of performance because people have been saying that this performance is a fake miracle, a legit miracle. That is what people have been saying online. So this guy, you need to come out to say the kind of performance as we are as a minister. I don't know why Igbos are very wicked tribe when in Nigeria. Kanunaga help Ebuka Obi come want me to be come. Evangelist Ebuka Obi was in the on a Lagos ministry on Yoruba doing his ministry in the Yoruba land, and all the Yoruba people are not insulting him the way Igbo people are insulting him. on about prayer ministry, but Igbo people, 90% of all the bloggers, all the content creators on Facebook page, na Facebook people, all of them are turning against him. Now we hear Malanya because of he is an Igbo man. Nandi Yoruba na Evangelist Ebuka, the way Igbo Sabaria, what we say on social media is that Nandi Yoruba na tribalism. Why are they insulting Evangelist Ebuka? Is it because Evangelist Ebuka is from Igbo land? But the same Igbo people have been fighting to pull him down. Ebony son, I'm still waiting for you. Gonna this your boy. Or una major video. Here go put on a care. I don't know you people. This boy can the performance also go behind me. You need to bring it out. Every people go where he Namada Pogona go be a perform why gather bankanka, put on this. Now people are turning it. They call you to perform. They call you to say, "How about give your man in Jimila Konaza ministry?" So you need to come on social media, explain it. Look at them. Look at them. Their place. Look at them. All these people need to picture of Abba. Man, go on about Chisum or something like that. My this sister. I'm coming to do video about them very soon. Yeah, Kahana been on social media now. They disgrace themselves. They disgrace themselves. Because of Facebook money. Because of Facebook money. When I name because of Facebook money. Because of Facebook on happen every month. Dollar on happen every month. When I get money, the moment we go on Facebook. If I conquer, it's your honey fanga. Get move people to come to your page. If you do because of money. I'm on my Facebook. The Facebook guy that come on. Shush, they are not paying me. They're not paying me, shush. They are shutting my pages down. Do you know how many pages in my plan? Do you know how open when we make Facebook? Open when I say fight the government now. When I say fight to do Britain colonize this in Nigeria, man, the United Nations. Open hand them and get by now it's more like 500,000 followers or 300,000 followers. But they are reporting my pages. Maybe Harry Potter. That is why my page has been growing like this. And I'm not getting any money. Sometimes I go to mountain, do video on mountain. I'm not getting shit for Facebook. I'm doing it to know how to liberate our people, not only our people, to fight for the Christians on Igbo and Nigeria, to stand for them. Humanity. So don't think that Facebook are paying me. They're not paying me shit. They are blocking my pages. They are reporting my page. Governments are reporting my page. They are shutting my page down. After myself, my money, not all with the name video, name all those things. A bruise if you don't have babu in our channel, one no lies up. For you to look the way Onungesi will fight here, Onungesi will put minutes here down. That is the wicked tribe. Wicked tribe. Everyone is on here in our child one gear. You can make a frat in our child. I go every day, every day, and exam minutes, every day, and can. You get a woman near Facebook. That ain't a chicken, much affair. That ain't a chicken, much affair. Don't make it affair. Or booze when I ain't a choke. When I ain't a bar from Facebook again. Only couple no sole, only couple another thing. Because if you're not married, man, why? You got no warrior. You are looking for the downfall of Evangelist Ebuka Obi. You are looking for the downfall of Zion ministry, but you cannot get it. That is why you call this guy out. This guy saying that they called me to perform. Talking. Talking nonsense. Igbo, I don't know the kind of tribe Igbo. Never can double on social media, Facebook. On Facebook. How many of you got on Facebook now? Want the government to war? Now I go for the House of Parliament. How many of you got on Facebook now? Now I want the Britain colonize London Igbo, and that we are suffering in Nigeria, that we are suffering in Igbo, and Nigerian government in mind. And how could say on has support on the Chinese herdsmen? When I get money now because some men Facebook I could to jail, I could to pay because of the money on there. Let me stop this message here. The reason all of you now go against Evangelist Ebuka Obi, the reason we do all these things is because of the Facebook monetization. 99% of all these Igbo side on social media, Neku against Ebuka Obi. They listen, all those things because of Facebook monetization. That is it. Mama, this young boy. California, this guy black shirt. Onyo Obodo. Yes, man, this our sister daughter. Man, car daughter on my bonison. Why they are doing all these video because of Facebook money. Kahaji went up on social media. Now fighting their brother to put their brother down. To pull their brother down. To pull their brother down because of money. Because of dollar on our phone every month. That is why they say that Igbo Gejima Kego will go one nefer. That's it. This is what people are doing. I have gone there. All these people flabber, this is what they are doing. Because of money, can you and Choka have fight, can pull it down if I say because of money, can Choka pull it down, there's a minister. But they cannot do it. They cannot do it. They cannot. So I'm calling out this guy, Ebuka Obi on social media. You need to come out to tell us the kind of performance Obiakpok came in as a minister. Every so came in performance as a minister. The money I had about. Come out and say it. I will leave it on social media. Now let me stop this message here. And I want to greet everybody. Happy New Year. I greet you. I greet everybody that's joining me in this program. Please help me to share this message. Help me to share this message. I'm on Facebook and about because of the kind of videos in there they are still reporting my page because of the way I'm speaking against Nigeria government and Britain, and all these things. That is why they are still fighting my pages down. That is why they are still fighting my pages down. But I tell you that these people that you are seeing here, they are doing all these things because of money. 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 Because of money, I took a business one head down. Because of money, I took a one that because of money. They are insulting themselves. Have one business. They will be insulting that one fan can pull a business down. The other boy in the video about this Indomie Onyibo. So me against it to put the business of his brother down. Let me stop this message here. Thank you and God bless you.